In this video, we're going to take a look at the most basic of all things in accounting, the accounting equation. Assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Accountants' books must balance. To be in balance, assets must equal liabilities plus owner's equity. When they do, the books are said to be in balance. This is known as the accounting equation. It can be abbreviated as assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. An asset is a resource with economic value that an individual, corporation, or country owns or controls with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. Assets are reported in the company's balance sheet and are bought or created to increase a firm's value or benefit the firm's stakeholders. Liabilities. A liability is something a person or a company owes, usually a sum of money. Recorded on the right side of the balance sheet, liabilities include loans, accounts payable, mortgages, deferred revenues, bonds, warranties, and accrued expenses. Liabilities. We can modify the accounting equation. Liabilities equals assets minus owner's equity. This tells us the total liabilities of the firm. An example is if we have $75 in liabilities, it equals $100 in assets less $25 of liabilities. Owner's equity. Equity, typically referred to as shareholders' equity or owner's equity for privately held companies, represents the amount of money that would be returned to a company's shareholders if all the assets were liquidated and all of the company's debt was paid off in the case of liquidation. Owner's equity. Frequent items that make up owner's equity: common stock, preferred stock, additional paid-in capital, and retained earnings. The book value of owner's equity can be found by subtracting liabilities from assets. Assets minus liabilities equals owner's equity. In our example, using the same numbers that we used previously, $100 of assets less $75 of liability equal $25 of owner's equity. We can see that owner's equity is the residual assets left over after deducting the firm's liabilities. The result of subtracting liabilities from assets is also known as the following: net book value, net worth, or net assets. So if someone asks you what's the net book value, or the book value, or the net worth, or net assets, you simply need to take the assets minus the liabilities. I have prepared a practice quiz for you. It's in another video. I encourage you to go through that and test yourself on your understanding of the accounting equation. If you found this video helpful, please recommend it to your friends and subscribe to this channel to be notified when I add additional content. Finally, if there's content that you would like to see, send me a note. Perhaps I can make a piece just for you.